Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you my fidget spinners. So, let me show you my first one. So this one is rainbow, so it's red. Then it's orange a little bit. Wait, no. What? Red, right here, and then it's orange. And then right here, it's a little bit green. And then it's blue. There's like the tiniest bit of purple right there. And then, yeah, that's my first one. So, my second one is my brother's. Yeah. This one's mine. Last. Yeah. Okay. The whole bucket. Alright, so this one. And then I have this one right here. It's plastic. I like this one. It's very colorful. And my brother's again. Here's a wood one. It's very smooth, and me and my brothers all like it because it's very smooth. My other brother's fidget spinner. And then this is my brother's fidget spinner. Yeah. And then this one, it looks very cool on camera. Let me spin it. I didn't spin it that much. Yeah. And the rainbow one is the fastest one. So, yeah. And it's also our smallest one. Yeah. So, that's all my fidget spinners. Bye!